So if you're planning to replace your Fire TV stick in 2026, chances are you've seen the same two names pop up over and over again. On one side, you've got the NVIDIA Shield TV, which people still call the king of Android TV. On the other side, there's the ON 4K Pro, a surprisingly powerful little box that costs less than a dinner night out. And a lot of people are asking the same question: which one actually makes sense to buy right now? Here's the thing though, even though they keep getting compared, these two devices really aren't built for the same type of user. So instead of declaring one better than the other, let's talk about how they actually perform in real life and which one fits your setup. Let's start with price, because that's impossible to ignore. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro usually sits around $200, sometimes a little less when it goes on sale. That's premium pricing, no doubt about it, but it's also built like a tank. There are people still using their Shield from 2015 or 2017 with zero issues, and NVIDIA continues to support it years later. That kind of long-term reliability is rare in the streaming world. Now, compare that to the ON 4K Pro. This thing costs around $35 and is sold at Walmart. And honestly, that's where the shock value comes in. For that price, you're getting a modern Google TV interface, USB ports, Ethernet, and performance that feels way better than any Fire TV stick. If you're purely looking at upfront cost, the ON 4K Pro looks like an instant win. But long-term value isn't just about price, it's about how well a device holds up over time. When it comes to everyday use, both devices feel fast. The ON 4K Pro is snappy, apps load quickly, and navigation feels smooth. It runs a modern version of Android TV, Google Assistant works well, and everything just feels clean and frustration-free. For anyone coming from a Fire TV stick, this will feel like a big upgrade. The NVIDIA Shield, even though it's older, still feels very smooth. Streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney Plus run flawlessly. And here's the honest truth. For basic streaming, both devices feel almost identical. If all you do is stream popular apps, you probably won't notice a big performance gap. That's why, for casual streaming, the ON 4K Pro punches way above its price. Where things start to separate a bit is with third-party apps and sideloading. A lot of Fire TV users are frustrated right now because Amazon keeps locking things down and making sideloading harder. With both the ON 4K Pro and the NVIDIA Shield, sideloading is straightforward. You enable developer options, allow third-party installs, and you're good to go. The ON 4K Pro is much more open than Fire TV, and the Shield is even more flexible since it's been running Android TV without restrictions for years. That said, when you start pushing heavier apps, emulators, or automation tools, the NVIDIA Shield handles it more reliably. It has more power, fewer crashes under load, and better stability overall. Most casual users won't hit these limits, but power users definitely will. Now let's talk about audio, because this is where the real gap shows up. If you've invested in a home theater setup, uncompressed audio, Dolby TrueHD, DTS-HD, or full Atmos pass-through, the NVIDIA Shield is in a completely different league. It handles high bitrate files and uncompressed audio perfectly. And no, home theater enthusiasts are not exaggerating when they say this matters. Once you experience proper pass-through audio, there's no going back. The ON 4K Pro works fine for standard streaming Atmos, but it struggles with uncompressed audio formats. So if you're running a dedicated AV receiver or a serious surround sound setup, the NVIDIA Shield is the clear choice. Plex is another huge difference between these two. The NVIDIA Shield isn't just a Plex player, it can actually run a Plex server. You can plug in external storage and host your entire media library directly from the Shield. That makes it a streaming box and a media hub in one device. The ON 4K Pro, on the other hand, works as a Plex player. It streams content from a server, but it can't host one. That alone makes the Shield far more valuable for anyone serious about local media. So, what's the final verdict? If you're replacing a Fire TV stick and you want something fast, affordable, easy to use, and open for third-party apps, the ON 4K Pro is an amazing choice. For most people who just stream movies and shows, it does everything they need without draining their wallet. But if you care about uncompressed audio, run a Plex server, store your own media, or want a device that will last for years without slowing down, the NVIDIA Shield TV is still worth it. It's not outdated, it's just built for a different audience. Now I'm curious to hear from you. Are you Team Shield or Team On? What kind of setup are you running right now? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.